Grok AI video generation is no longer free, and yeah, most people think that's the end. But the thing is, what if I told you there's still a way to use Grok AI's model for free? And not only that, you can actually generate unlimited videos and images without any restrictions. Sounds kind of crazy, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, step by step. But before we start, if you're into this kind of content, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos, and also drop a like because it really helps the channel grow. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, what you need to do is head over to this website called Grok AI and sign up using your Google account. So once you've created your account, you'll land on an interface like this. And here, you can see all the AI services provided by the site. Now, right here, you'll notice a feature called Video Gen, so just go ahead and click on that. Then, after that, you'll see several AI video models pop up like this. And among them, here's the Grok AI model that we need. And as you can see, we can actually use this model completely for free, without any issues. Alright, so once you've selected the video model, you'll see an option here to add a reference image. So if you already have one, you can simply upload it right here. Then, we have to do is provide our video prompt. Now here, we have two options, basic and advanced. So if you choose basic, you can just enter a detailed prompt and generate your video easily. But if you go with advanced, you'll be able to adjust things like lighting, camera movement, and overall visual style exactly how you want. And like I mentioned earlier, no matter which option you choose, you can create videos completely for free. So for this example, I'm just going to select basic and enter a simple prompt. Then, I'll tweak the small settings at the bottom according to my preference, and click on the Generate with Grok button. Alright, now you can see that it has generated my video in just a few seconds, so let me quickly play it for you. So yeah, what do you think about the video? As you just saw, I only used a very simple prompt, but still the result turned out really good. Now, to download video, click on the download icon, and your video will be saved automatically. So, what do you think about this method? If you found it useful, make sure to drop a like and leave a comment. It really helps the video reach more people like you.